This is PowerPoint 101, a 5-minute tutorial on how to use PowerPoint. First, we'll pick a design or theme for our project. Click on the Design tab and you can see the different themes. By clicking on the drop-down arrow, you'll get more options. Notice how when you move your cursor over the different themes, you get a preview on your slide. We'll use paper as our theme. To add a title to the slide, click to add the title. Then type your title. When done typing, either click another text box or click to get a new slide. To do that, we go up to the Home tab and we click New Slide. You can see the different designs of slides we have. For this particular slide, we're going to use content with caption. Next, we're going to insert an image into our slide. To do this, go to the Insert tab. We have a few options. We have the photo album, clip art, which is a database of images. In this case, I've already downloaded a picture. So click Picture. Pick the picture that you want to have in your slide. Click Insert. Once the picture is in the slide, you can move the slide, position it where you want, or change the dimensions. Now we want to label the image. And seeing how there's no text box available to label our image, we're going to have to create one. To do that, go to the Insert tab, go to Text Box, drag your cursor to where you want the text box to be, and click. You can size the text box to what size you want or just start typing. Now that we have our image labeled, it's time to add more text to the slide. To do this, simply go up to the text box and click, and then type. When you are done typing the first box, simply click on the box below and continue typing. Now that we are done typing the text for this slide, it's time to get another slide. To do this again, go up to the Home tab, click New Slide, and it shows you many options. On this one, we're going to use title and content. On this side, we're simply just going to add more text. So just go up and click the text box and begin typing. When done typing the first box, just simply click the box below. Now that all the typing is done on this slide, it's time to do some animation. This will cause a transition between the slides. First, we'll just click Animations. You can see that it offers you a few options. But just like the themes, if you click the drop-down arrow, it shows you a lot more. And the same with the drop-down arrow on the themes. If you move over a particular animation, you get a preview of it on your slide. For this particular project, we're just going to use the simple left to right wipe. Click left to right wipe and then click Apply to All, and then pick the speed as slow. Now it's time to see our slideshow. To do this, we go up and click Slideshow and click From the Beginning. In order to change in between slides in this mode, you must use the left button on your mouse, the space bar, or the arrow keys. Now we'll work on timing slides. Go up to Rehearse Timing, and you'll see a number box over here. When you feel you have enough time for the first slide, press the arrow key to go to the next slide. When you feel you have enough time for this slide, click the arrow key to go to the next slide. When you feel you have enough time for this slide, click the arrow key to go to this slide. And go down here and click Yes to save the timing. To see our time show, make sure the Rehearse Timings button is clicked, and then click From Beginning. I hope this helped you learn a little bit more about PowerPoint. Thank you for your